1. Which country has the widest road in the world? A. In America. B. In Indonesia. C. In Brazil. D. In India. The answer is C. In Brazil. 2. Which state has the maximum length road? A. In Punjab. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. In Maharashtra. The answer is D. In Maharashtra. 3. America has been a slave of which country? A. Japan. B. China's. C. Russia. D. Great Britain. The answer is D. Great Britain. 4. Who opposed the British the most? A. Marathas. B. Rajputs. C. Sikhs. D. Mughals. The answer is D. Mughals. 5. Which country is the largest producer of onion? A. India. B. China. C. Japan. D. America. The answer is A. India. 6. What was the name of Rani Lakshmi Bai's horse? A. Sarangi. B. Cloud. C. Wind. D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. 7. In which country did demonetization take place first? A. In Dens. B. In America. C. In China. D. In India. The answer is A. In Dens. 8. The Prime Minister of which country was given the death sentence as soon as he took oath? A. Sri Lanka country. B. Russia. C. China. D. Pakistan. The answer is D. Pakistan. 9. Which vitamin helps in wound healing? A. Vitamin B. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin A. The answer is C. Vitamin K. 10. In which country are white elephants found? A. In Thailand. B. In Russia. C. In America. D. In India. The answer is A. In Thailand. 11. Which country first discovered water on the moon? A. India. B. China. C. Japan. D. America. The answer is A. India. 12. Which is the biggest snake? A. Spotted. B. Python. C. Cobra. D. Python. The answer is D. Python. 13. What is the weight of one human eye? A. 10 grams. B. 20 grams. C. 30 grams. D. 8 grams. The answer is D. 8 grams. 14. When did the nationalization of Indian Railways take place? A. 1950. B. 1948. C. 1954. D. 1949. The answer is A. 1950. 15. In which city is the largest bus stand located in India? A. In Gorakhpur. B. Chennai. C. In New Delhi. D. In Banaras. The answer is B. Chennai.